Hello everyone, as you may notice, today we are going to talk about ELROND. ELROND got hacked and the price of the ELROND on Maiar Exchange dropped by 92% in just 30 minutes. Okay, today the video is in English because we got many listeners in English, so sometimes to time we are going to make some videos in English. Okay, today let's first see what ELROND is. The Internet of Scale blockchain is live, an highly scalable, fast and secure blockchain platform for distributed apps, enterprise use case, and new internet economy. So globally, ELROND is just a blockchain. You can build your T apps on it, you can build your NFT on it. Okay, so now what's happened on ELROND and on Maiar Exchange? The price of ELROND in fees fall on Maiar Exchange and attack or a project crash. Okay, so the price dropped from, like, look this price, ASOM. Okay, look from 75 USD to 5 USD before the DEX had to suspend operation. Okay, what happened exactly? Okay, let's see what's happened. Okay, by the night on June 5, 3 wallets received token from Binance. Okay, so the attackers, what did they do? They bring money from Binance. Okay, on 3 wallets they bring money from Binance. You can see the exact amount there. I can link up this web page inside the description of this video. Okay, you can see it on this. After they receive money, they use this money to buy ELROND on the smart contract. So surely that they use a bug on the smart contract on ELROND, okay, on the DEX to use the command deploy. They use it to buy many ELRONDs on this. Okay, that's the exact amount. Okay, 1 million. They buy it on Maiar Exchange, and after having buy it, they sell it massively. Okay, they use the withdraw comment to sell it massively. That creates this drop. Like, look, 92% with just 38 minutes. That's really awesome. So just ask you a fundamental question about this smart contract. Many times you got the Luna problem. Okay, Luna got hacked. This make the project Luna to crash. Now it's ELROND. Who is going to be tomorrow? Maybe we'll talk about it in a live. We don't know for now, but you have the information now. You can check it on YouTube, on Twitter. You can follow us on Twitter. The pseudo is Light Finance. So today we got information. Let's see tomorrow. Money is the sinews of war. Check.